Okay, let's look at converting a percentage to a fraction and a decimal. Remembering percentage means per 100. So in the first example here, 67% means 67 out of 100. So straight away we've done the first bit. We have changed that to a fraction. Percent means per 100. With the second one, we'll also change that to a fraction. So 55% means 55 per 100. There's one more step for this one. We need to look in both cases if these fractions can be simplified. In the first case, the answer is no, there is no number that goes into both of them. But in this second case, 5 goes into 55 11 times and 5 goes into 120 times. So we always need to remember to write our fractions in simplest form. To change them to a decimal. So in the first case, 67%, which means 67 per 100. And to write that as a decimal, we put our 67 there. At the moment, the decimal point's there. We are dividing it by 100. So when we divide it by 100, the decimal point moves 2 to the left. So it's 0.67 as a decimal. In the second example, 55% is 55 per 100. So that's the number 55. That's where the decimal point is. When we're dividing something by 100, we move the decimal point to that way. So as a decimal, it's 0.55. So a reminder, when you write it as a fraction, percent means per 100. So you put it over 100. You then see if they simplify down. To write it as a decimal, remember that if you're dividing by 100, which percent is, the decimal point moves 2 places to the left.